2012 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, front, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, rear window defroster, bucket seats, power mirrors. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.